about to get this started, guys. Southside Crypto coming at you. All right, yeah, I'm watching too much of the Kanye little documentary on Netflix. All right, we're off. You see the waves there? So this is what's hitting today. 16 waves. See the waves. You see the bubbles, but waves is hitting. Runes down. Mainly everything is down right now. But for the week, you see the ones that are standing anchor. We'll get to it in just a second. Waves, rune. All those are kind of intertwined on the Trust Wallet. This Osmo right now is getting 80% staking fee. Just letting you know that as well. And for the year, clearly, boom, the Shiba, the Hex, the AXS, Gala. So those are the ones you want to watch out for. So what's catching a bid today? We're just going to do the 1 day. Let me see if I can read. So I just re-upped this, and it's not giving me access to the buy flows yet. There it did. It just did. All right, so the buy flows are 3-day buy flows, USD clearly going into Bitcoin, Solana, USDT, which goes into a lot of things, but AVAX, Cosmos, XLM is still there. What is XLM catching? XLM is getting, where is that? $60 million, right? BUSD, but if we go to USDT, you can see what's really catching bids. Solana, Waves, UST is going into the Terra and to the Anchor protocol. I can guarantee it. It's 200 million in the past 3 days. Waves, self-explanatory there. Algos kind of get a little bit too. So let's get started here with the TTA. Bitcoin. Currently, Bitcoin right now is at 38.4. It has that 38K is its support level. Near-term resistance levels, guys, are at 39K, 40K. But again, the key level that we need to be above is the 41, and then clearly the 53. Above that, Binance, Bitcoin supports it at 330. The resistance is at 385 on the top end. Cardano just keeps, it's the same, guys. We just need to be, so right now it's below the 88 cents. Just know it's got to fight through a lot of supply there. 88 cents, 91 cents, and then we got to get above. That's just it. Ethereum is above the 2,500 right now. Let's hope it stays. If it does break that, watch out for the 2,100 level. That would be the next support. Resistance is at the 27, which is, it's been kind of kicking off that a little bit, but not the last 2 days, or not the last really 24 hours for sure. And then Luna support at 70. On the downside, resistance is at 84. Solana, a little bit different. The low is at 75. The resistance is at 90, 91, and $100. And then DOT, watch out for the support at 1630-ish. With a low of the 14, you want to watch out for that. Dogecoin, the resistance is at 13, the support's at 11, and Matic, so which is actually making a fairly decent move right now. It's not a huge one, but relative strength, it is showing that. Resistance right now is at $1.50 and 50. Well, just at $1.50 is what it needs to defeat. All right, let's get right to it very quickly. That's my glass node one. I wanted to go back to, where is it? I guess we can start here. So very quickly, just saying Bitcoin falters with renewed geopolitical tensions. That's probably because the Russians or the Russian people have stopped buying for it, or at least decreased their buying. Terra, big one. This is it right here. Terra DeFi toolkit built on the Cosmos platform, second largest ecosystem in the decentralized finance now. Currently boasts a total locked value of $23 billion. And I believe that's only second to Ethereum. Yeah, but Ethereum's way out there at $111 billion, but you knew that. So big news, if you hadn't heard, this is why Phantom is falling. This says Phantom is down 13%. Phantom's actually down about 20%. I've seen as low as 30% on a few exchanges. Crypto developer Andre Crone, I think is the way you say that. And and his buddy, the co-developer Anton Neal, decided to terminate their relationship with Phantom and the 25 apps. The apps, Neal declared that about 25 apps and service would be terminated. That's not actually the case. The front end will be, right? This included Yearn Finance. We've all heard of that one. Keeper, we've heard of that one. Chainless, Solidity, and Multi-Chain, which we've heard of that one. It says the Phantom's dropped 13% in 24 hours, actually down more than that. So institutional guys are catching a big deal. They are catching, the institutional are buying more of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. I think I've got the graphic here. I'm not sure if I've got the graphic on that one. I don't, but I'm looking at it right over here. Literally, it is at its highest level since October of 20. Well, I take that back. Since December 16th of 2021, and it went higher than that. So that's very good that we have the institutional investors jumping in. This is on the back of GBTC's discount to spot pricing rising nearly 30%. So there is a premium that they're paying there and an arbitrage opportunity. So as per Glassnode, GBTC's biggest capital inflow appeared in the week ending February 25th, which is what I'm looking at right here. And that amount was $140 million. Since December 2021, some sessions saw investors pouring in between 10 million and 120, but this is 140, so big time. So let's talk about Ripple really quick. Garlinghouse puts his thoughts down. The case seems to be winding down. It seems to be. It's really going the way of XRP, of Ripple. And so what he writes, and so as the case continues to move forward, we're expecting some decisions from the court, sooner rather than later as it relates to a couple of decisions before the court, but it looks like it's moving slowly. And then attorney Jeremy Hogan, who they've hired, who's outside counsel, he said that Ripple thinks the XRP case will end sometime between August 26th and November 3rd and will basically vindicate them. Really quickly, I got some other things I do want to talk. The fiat exchange, look at that. It's continues to slide down. It's continued to slide since really November. That's a fiat to crypto exchanges. That's all of them, by the way. The monthly fiat exchange volume fell once again to $302 billion in February. Anchor, this is the one we just talked about. It is the kind of sea green one right here. That one, it's climbing, and it's now number 2, as we talked about, to Ethereum with total value locked of $11.27 billion. So NFT search volumes continue to fall after the hype ended in January. There's the search terms right there. There's Bitcoin is kind of going sideways, but in NFTs, clearly the red is going down. So there's that one. I just wanted to make you aware of that. So last but not least, I did want you to know that the inflows by asset, right? The monthly inflows. Well, let's do the year to date. So for 2022, Bitcoin's got 166 million inflows year to date. Ethereum has negative 84 million, means it's flowing out. There's some multi-assets that have 104 million coming in. That's good. That's more of your altcoins. Clearly, Binance negative 20 million, but look at Litecoin, 2 million positive. Solana 7 million positive. Polkadot 2 million negative. Cardano 4 million positive. Tron 4 million negative, and Ripple 5 million positive. So there you go. That's what's going on, and that's the TA, and that is what's catching a bid today. So with that said, watch your 6, go hard in the paint, and I hope I did this in under 10 minutes. We will